Tropical cyclone Ella hit Mozambique on the 24th of January and continued westward over Malawi, weakening and dissipating, but still causing very heavy rainfall. Mozambican authorities reported that 66 people were injured, 546 houses were partially destroyed, and another 115 were completely destroyed. 30 people were injured in floods in Malawi. The power generation company was forced to shut down all of its power plants, leaving Malawi with only 30% of its installed capacity, resulting in massive power outages. The Cape hydroelectric power plant was particularly hard hit, with its diversion dam partially washed away during the flood. Search and rescue operations are underway in the city of Chiquaya. There is an urgent need for an air evacuation as water levels are still rising due to continued rains, according to a spokesman for the Malawi Red Cross Society. The society also said that in addition to the immediate impact of the hurricane, concerns about food security continue to worsen as the region periodically experiences flooding. This has seriously affected the livelihoods of more than 20,000 families dependent on agriculture. The situation is expected to worsen as the tropical storm continues. Officials and relief agencies are still assessing the full impact of the storm.